In a world that often emphasizes the pursuit of more, Thanksgiving reminds us to appreciate the abundance that already exists in our lives. It reminds us to count our blessings, be thankful for what we have, and express gratitude to those who have made a positive impact on our lives. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Rhea. I hope you're all having a great day. If not, I hope it gets better. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I cooked for Thanksgiving dinner, how I prepped and cooked everything from scratch, and we're also going to talk about being grateful and living in the now, living in the moment. So, I am a planner. 5 days before Thanksgiving, I made my menu, jot down my grocery list, printed the recipes, and went grocery shopping. Then, 2 days before Thanksgiving, doon ako bumibili ng vegetables and herbs, panghuli na yon. 2 days before, the day before Thanksgiving, I ginawa ko na yung fried onions with for my green beans casserole, and then made cornbread for stuffing, mashed potatoes, and usually, I also prep dessert. Pero, gumawa kasi ako ng cobbler, ay cranberry cobbler na napakadaling gawin. So, ginawa ko siya the day of. So, the day of Thanksgiving, I started my day with the brisket. Beef, diba? Brisket, yun na. I started 7 a.m. Then, niluto ko siya 6.5 hours in a 275 degrees Fahrenheit na oven para low and slow talaga para magiging tender yung meat. Okay. Then after while 2 hours before na ready yung brisket, I started chopping all the vegetables, prep everything that I can, and then went to cooking. So inuna ko yung green beans casserole. Kasi 375 degrees yun. The rest na ilalagay ko sa oven ay 350 degrees. So, nung nasa oven na yung green beans casserole, nag-start na ako ng creamed corn. After ng creamed corn, nag-start na ako ng sa stuffing while ginagawa ko rin yung cobbler. So, nung after ng stuffing, nag-cobbler ako agad and then, or ginawa ko muna yung cobbler. No, last na pala yung cobbler. And then, yung cranberry cobbler which is the dessert. And then, after that, ginagawa ko rin ang gravy on the stove. So, nung natapos na yung gravy, natapos na rin lahat ng niluluto ko sa oven. So, it was ready na. And that's it. Napaka-simple. Basta nakaplano. So, planning is key para maging successful yung Thanksgiving dinner mo, especially kapag niluluto mo lahat from scratch. Or kahit pa siguro bumibili ka sa mga grocery store ng naka-ready na, then planning pa rin. Importante talaga sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. Sa opinion ko to na planning is key para maging successful din. Okay. Kasi ito, nakokontrol naman natin to, itong mga bagay na to. Pero yung mga bagay na hindi ko kontrolado, hindi ko na yung pinaplano. Anyway, so babalik tayo doon sa gratitude, sa pagiging thankful kasi nga Thanksgiving ngayon, ano? So, nabasa ko to noon at agree ako dito na kapag nag-cultivate tayo ng attitude of gratitude, it can have a profound effects on our overall life satisfaction and happiness. It shifts our focus from what is lacking in our lives to what we have, instilling a sense of contentment and fulfillment. So gratitude helps us to recognize the beauty in everyday moments, finding joy in the little things, and stay grounded in humility. So, dito na rin papasok yung living in the moment kasi para sa akin magkasama talaga yan. You live in the moment, you're grateful. You're grateful, you live in the moment. Kasi nga, yung living in the moment rin, it allows us to let go of the past and release worries about the future. The past is unchangeable yan and constantly thinking about it can lead to feelings of regret or sadness. Similarly, stressing about the future can create unnecessary anxiety and rob us of the joy of the present. So, by consciously choosing to let go of these concerns and focusing on the here and now, we free ourselves from the weight of the past and future, giving ourselves the chance to fully embrace the present. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. May this Thanksgiving and this holiday season be a reminder of the importance of gratitude and the power of coming together, living in the moment. May it inspire us to spread love and kindness in everything we do. Wishing you all a Thanksgiving filled with abundance, joy, and love. Thank you so much for being part of my YouTube family, for watching all my videos. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. With heartfelt gratitude, this has been Rhea. Take care.